Alright, so this is another Solitude ST3950BH-R. So this is going to be a bunkhouse with a residential. That's what that is. And there's a bee right there. That bee is buzzing my tower. So, looks like a really big pantry there. That's almost big enough you can make that a half bath. Residential fridge. Again, 3 burner. You got your Roku island. And this has got twin sofas in here. This is a little interesting. But you just got your outside speakers back there. Mirror. And this is a bunkhouse. Oh, this has got a door in the back. So you got bunkhouse. So you actually sleep quite a few people back here. And you got a whole nother shower, door, sink. This is alright. And I'll get this as long as we're here. 3950 bunkhouse residential. And that's where we're at. Again, this upper area is pretty much standard for most of the Solitudes. You got the king bed, the closet, washer dryer. You got the dresser and the TV. Alright, I think we're good on this one.